Sports on Air.
Hey, Jeremy Lin actually talked about you in the press conference that you were tough to guard and you have a good passion for the game. Your thoughts about getting some praise from an NBA player?
It's great. That's a great player. He's a legend. So I appreciate his kind words. He's a tough player still. 34, 35. He's playing like he's 25. So.
Okay, so talk about the experience of going against him and guarding against an NBA
like
player.
I said, he's great. I spent a little time in the NBA, so he's just like those guys. He can still play in there if he wants to, but it was a fun experience.
Alright, thank you.
Habang mainit ang mga laman sa ating mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser or ang cellphone, mapa-Android man o iOS. Gamitin lang ang inyong mobile number at huwag kalimutan ilagay sa promo code ang 1x on air. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo gamitin ang GCash account nyo para makapag-deposit or mag-cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.